In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to magnify charts on MT5. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, having the ability to adjust the view of your charts can be incredibly useful for your analysis and decision-making process. So let's dive right into it. First, let's talk about using the zoom buttons. This is a straightforward method that relies on the toolbar, which is conveniently located at the top of your trading platform. By clicking the plus sign, you will effectively zoom in, making each candle on your chart larger and easier to examine. This can be extremely helpful when you want to focus on specific details or patterns within the chart. Conversely, if you click the minus sign, you'll zoom out, which makes the candles appear smaller. Zooming out can give you a broader view of the trends and movements over a longer period. This flexibility allows you to adapt the chart to suit your particular needs at any given moment, whether you're conducting a detailed analysis or getting an overview of the market situation. Now, another great method for magnifying charts on MT5 is by using your mouse's scroll function in tandem with your keyboard. Start by hovering your mouse over the chart you're working with. Once your mouse is positioned where you want it, press and hold the control key on your keyboard. While holding this key, you can scroll upwards to zoom in on the chart. This action enlarges the candles and brings forth the details that you are interested in. It's a quick way to zoom in without needing to move your mouse away from the chart area. If you wish to zoom out, you simply scroll down with the mouse wheel, again while holding the control key. This smooth and intuitive method gives you efficient control over the chart magnification. These two methods offer versatility in how you view and analyze your charts, whether it's through the precise control of the zoom buttons or the fluidity of the mouse scroll method. Experimenting with both can help you find which one works best for your trading style and viewing preferences. In summary, mastering these techniques will enhance your trading experience and provide you with better insights into the market's movements. Remember that the ability to easily adjust the view of your charts is a crucial tool in your trading toolkit, so go ahead and practice these methods. You'll find that having the ability to quickly zoom in and out on various parts of your chart will become an invaluable part of your analysis process. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy trading, and see you next time.